ever since I've been working as an early intervention teacher, there's been an ongoing discussion and sometimes quite a robust discussion about the differences between working in a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary or transdisciplinary way. We like to think that we're working in a transdisciplinary way, but we're not always, and I do like this particular little chart that describes the differences, because it kind of centers me again into the thinking. I think often we have these great aspirations, but the challenges of working across different disciplines, across different organisations, bringing people together, and expecting them all to be on the same page as to how we're all going to work can be a real challenge. A community of practice is a great place to be exploring these issues, to be exploring how to work in a transdisciplinary way. I'm really excited by what I'm seeing in our community of practice, the way we are talking together, the way that between the different disciplines we are picking up on ideas, we are developing a true conceptual understanding of what we're doing rather than just going down a pathway of a methodology or of a strategy without that idea of bringing together all of the voices and all of the understandings that we can have. I believe that transdisciplinary working also sees the whole team as having value and as of bringing expert knowledge, and that includes parents and whānau who know that child best and who can always bring a depth of perspective and knowledge. So I'm going to keep this slide for myself for the future. It's going to probably be brought out in some different meetings that I have alongside the other early intervention team members that I work with as we explore this further.